Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Adventures in Everyday Cooking. Sorry about the lighting. I'm in a weird spot, and you're gonna have raccoon eyes for this video, maybe. I don't know. So I decided to pop on real quick. Sorry about the view, but today I am going to a women's conference, the dog. This is the earliest I've ever done a video, and I wasn't even planning to do a video, but I realized that this would be an excellent thing to show you because I've seen it done and now I'm going to try it. And yeah, so today I am going to a women's conference up in Roseville, California, and they told me to bring a lunch, and I totally forgot. I'm actually supposed to leave in 9 minutes, and I need to throw together my lunch and drink my coffee. So of course I'm gonna videotape what I'm doing because I've seen this done, but I don't know if it actually is a good thing to do. So without further ado, we're going to make a salad in a jar. Yes, I know that other people have done salads in a jar, but this is the one with the ranch on the top, or the whatever. So without further ado, here we go. Ready? 9 minutes. All right, first things first, you need a jar, a lid, and a little container that holds either fruit or applesauce. I know applesauce is fruit, but you know, that chunky fruit. Clean it out, wash it real good. It's apparently going to fit right there and right there. So we will see how that goes. The other things I have are some meats. So I have some uncured sliced salami. So I'm just going to use my tomato knife here and slice up my meats. And what I read, see my board doing all these crazy things? Hold on. The best way to prevent your board from doing crazy stuff is to put something underneath it. There we go. All right, so that's cut up in little bits, and I'm just going to place it right in my jar. You want all the heavy ingredients first because you don't want it to push down on your lettuce and wilt your lettuce. So here I have some antibiotic-free turkey, and nitrate-free, I should add. Nitrates just do some crazy stuff in my body, so I try to do hormone and everything free whenever I can. Then we have some provolone, which I could have used any cheese. I actually got out some just regular shredded cheese, but then I saw my provolone in there and I was like, that is going down. And in it goes. And take a drink of coffee in my San Francisco mug. Nice. Still got 6 minutes. All right, I love apple in my salad, so this is a no-brainer. I'll eat the rest of the apple on my way to the conference. It's about a 30-minute drive. So I'm just gonna cut up some apple here, just put it right in. If you've never had an apple in your salad, you should try it. It is just the texture and deliciousness you use for, especially if you're gluten-free. I don't know, something about having apple in my salad is amazing. I'll eat that little bruise. All right, apple down. Fuji apple, by the way. What stinks is I actually had some leftover onion last night and I decided to use it, so whatever. But I'm in a hurry, so I'm gonna make a sin. I'm gonna just cut off a piece of my onion right there because I don't need that much. I just want enough to have some onion inside of my salad. Okay, I think that's probably enough onion for today, especially since I don't have any breath mints. Now I'm just gonna use a bag salad. You can use obviously just regular, this was on sale. I am not gonna use the extra stuff. I'm just gonna use the salad bits. So we're just gonna stuff it in. If I had some extra time, I would throw in some garbanzo or some kidney beans for some extra protein, but I don't know, I think we're doing pretty good. All right, look at that so far. All right, I went ahead and wiped out my little container. I do not have any tomato today. Technically I'm allergic anyway, so yeah. Okay, so apparently we're just supposed to, whoa, have a little ranch in your cup. Ooh, Nelly. All right. Okay, and it's just supposed to sit there and look gorgeous. Okay, we're gonna try this. I have two different lids because sometimes these colored lids are crap, man. The white lids are way better, so I got a white lid that I already have some info written on. Oh yeah, holy. See, this is why you don't do things whenever you're half asleep still. Bad things happen. Crisis averted. All right, so there we have it. There is our salad in a jar. I will show you what it looks like to eat it when I go around to eat it. So there you go, salad in a jar in 6 minutes. I'm gonna grab a fork and I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna throw all this stuff back in the refrigerator though, because nobody wants to come home to dead food. All right, you guys, I will check in and show you the results at my conference. Maybe it'll be cool, maybe it'll be a, we'll see. See you later. Okay, so here I am at the conference, and I have to be quiet because there's a lot of people around. So I'm taking off the lid here. Oh, it all stayed in, didn't spill. And all of the ranch is still right there in the top. All right, well, so far so good. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in. Yeah, ranch going in. All right, oh, yeah, that for real happened. What a mess. I can't even believe it's everywhere. It's even on my phone. Like if I could show you, oh well, okay. Let's just shake this up here. I have to wipe it off. Shake, shake, shake. Took me like 30 seconds to shake it all up. It was pretty full. Okay. That works. I will do that again. Okay, you guys, I'm back from the conference. What an amazing time. The salad was absolutely the best thing ever. I love that my dressing was right there. I love that I didn't have to rip anything and open anything. I did not love spilling it all over the place, but that was me, that was not a flaw of the design. That was just my clumsy self because there wasn't a lot of coffee at this conference. And as you know, I started out early and so on and so forth. So I would definitely do it again, and I encourage you guys to try it if you've been thinking about it. The only thing maybe I'd do differently is maybe not put as much dressing in the little cup. I ended up putting all of that dressing in and it was a little too much, probably twice as much as I needed. So I would probably just put a little bit, not as much as I had. I also thought that maybe there could be a better way to like mix it all up again, because I felt like all of my meat kind of stayed at the bottom. Maybe if I cut my lettuce a little smaller, yeah, something to think about, but definitely something to do again. So I'm really excited about this little hack, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, please. I do videos twice a week, and sometimes they're wacky, like this one. Like I'm like, hey, I have 9 minutes, let's do this. and then sometimes they're just planned. So, but I do everything from desserts to dinner to appetizers to unboxings. Like I did an unboxing recently. That was pretty fun. I do have an unboxing coming later this week, so that's kind of exciting. I do holiday treats. I do holiday stuff. So yeah, if you want to subscribe, I'd love to have you in the community. And if you want to leave me a comment, that'd be wonderful. Tell me what adventures you're having in your kitchen, because I am all about the adventure, and I would love to know that other people are adventuring in their kitchens as well. So I guess that's it for me. So we'll see you later. Bye.